Hello, I'm Ian. Welcome back to Nutrition at Gardens of Eden. Today we're going to be cooking quite a simple, healthy salad, warm salad dish. So we're going to be doing like a roast carrot and carrot hummus dish with broad beans, sunflower seeds, pomegranates, and loads of other little goodness. So let's get to start to making the roasted carrots. Okay, so now we're going to cook the carrots. So just a tiny touch of nice olive oil, extra virgin. Make sure the pan's hot. You don't want it too hot. And make sure you spin the oil around. And these are the carrots we've already pre-boiled and roasted in the oven. Just going to finish roasting them off in here. A nice, good golden glaze colour to them. Okay, so let them start to cook. Put some chickpeas in as well. This is the rest of the tin, just to get some colour and adds really good texture to the dish. So now they've been cooking for 2 minutes on each side, so they're basically ready to come off. You can see they've got a nice golden colour to them. We've added some dried rosemary to them when we put them in the oven. I missed that out earlier, so you can do that dried or you can use fresh all the time. It's really up to you. And you can see the chickpeas are starting to pop, so they're getting nice and crunchy. Okay, so now we turn that off. And it's time to plate up. Right, so now it's time to plate up. We've got the carrots, we've took them off. We've got the hummus that we were making earlier. So it's really up to you. You can just, I like to just dot it around so we can get nice good with every single bite. Okay. So put some carrots, okay, some nice turnips just to add nice freshness. Nice bits of radish. These are nice broad beans. You can use peas or green beans if you want, but the broad beans I just like the colour and the taste. The goat's cheese on it makes them nice and crunchy. So I like to just tear it, add big chunks on. Okay, so now to finish, we get some sunflower seeds sprinkled over the top. Put a bit more pomegranate so it looks nice over the top. And then the lovely carrot crisps we made earlier. Also helps to add to the texture. And just for decoration purpose, we use some nasturtium leaves. And there you go, there's my carrot hummus with roast carrots, goat's cheese and pomegranate salad.